Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is like a twofold problem-solving question somebody had. One, they want to find out how this person put this like fuzzy behind it. Well, one, it's fuzzy because it's a JPEG, but there is some gray matter because yours is sharp. So their first question was they forgot to make a copy of the triangle before they did anything, and so that's easy. And one, it's not even grouped together. So you could make a duplicate of it and just left click or right click to do what we're going to do. And, but if you could, let's say you could not get this apart. Let's say it was, anyway, one other way you could do it is take a, which I love doing, is take a rectangle, smart fill it in, move it over. I'm going to get it off the page. Left click, right click, go up to object, break the curve apart so we can get rid of the box, and then look at this thing by node wise with the shape tool. You can just delete all those inner nodes and it's going to retain the shape of the item. So that's saving him right there, and you can see it fits perfectly. Then how to fuzzy that, and what I would suggest doing would be to make the triangle bigger anyway. If you will hold down your shift key and grab your corner, it should grow from the inside out. Now it doesn't grow quite perfectly because it's a triangle, but it's good enough. And then fill that in with like a light gray, take away the outline, go up to effects, blur, Gaussian blur, which I use the most, and you can see it's got just a little bit, maybe we could add a little bit of blur to it, and then say okay. Now you need to probably group this together, Control G, take this one and go to object and order and make sure it's at the back of the page, so when you move this over, it'll be behind it, and it's not. I don't understand what that could possibly be in. Let me just take all this and order front of page. There we go. And it, maybe my blur is too much. Maybe I made it too big. But you could still, you've still got your blur. You could hold down the shift key and bring that in a little bit more, and it'll give you less blur. Pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.